Hi everyone, I'm Greta and I'm here with Megan as a part of the Wisconsin Science Festival.
We're super excited to share with you our experiment today, flower power.
So to create our colorful flowers, we're going to need a couple different materials. So coffee filters, binder clips, washable markers, pipe cleaners, clear jars or cups, and then water in these jars or cups. You can also use scissors for stuff later, but it is optional.
Because we're using water and markers, it's a good idea to cover your work surface. So we have a tray right here. We're all ready to go, so let's get started.
First, we have to prepare our coffee filters. So what you want to do is lay one out and try and flatten it the best you can. And then take a couple markers and just decorate whatever you want on the coffee filter. Feel free to really unleash your creativity and let your imagination run wild and try and make the most fun decorated coffee filter.
Now that our filter is decorated, it's time to fold it. We're gonna fold it 4 times, so it's gonna look like a little cone. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Perfect. Okay, now it's time to hypothesize. So following along, write down what you think will happen when we dip the filters into the water.
All right, now let's try it. We're gonna take our cup of water and we're gonna have a half an inch or a little more too of water in the jar or your cup. Then we're gonna put this inside. Wow, look at that.
It looks so good. You can also use your binder clip to balance the filter to make sure it doesn't fall in, and then you don't have to hold it in the cup, or you can hold it. Totally up to you.
So as you can see, the water's going up our coffee filter, and we're gonna wait till it goes all the way up, and then we'll take it out and let it dry.
Wow, it looks so pretty.
Once the water reaches the top of your filter, we're gonna unclip it and take it out to dry. Then we're gonna wait for it to completely dry before we move on to our next step. Now that our filters are all dry, we're gonna fold them like an accordion. Yes.
It's basically just kind of like hinge and fold and go back and forth until it's all kind of folded into a warmer bin.
All right, so now we're gonna take our pipe cleaner. We're gonna wrap it around the center. So pinch the middle so it's nice and tight, and then the other like flower petals go outward. So we're gonna go like this. And leave a little bit so you have a bit of a stem to hold on to. Then we're gonna fluff out our petals.
Yeah. This is where you can also be creative if you want to use scissors and cut into like a different pattern or design for petals, but doing it just like this also works great.
Perfect. You can also layer your coffee filters. I mean, yeah, let your curiosity shine through.
Yeah, make multiple, make a bouquet.
There we go.
Yeah.
These are so pretty,
I
Greta.
know, they look so good. Yeah, these are our flowers.
How does this relate to science?
So basically what this experiment is doing is it's mimicking something called capillary action. So what's happening is that when we use our coffee filters, they're made of cellulose fibers, which are small straw-like tubes that water could travel through. So because water molecules are sticky, they cling to each other and to the fibers in the filter, and then together these forces pull water up against gravity.
Wow, this actually sounds just like what happens in a plant. When you water a plant, the water goes up the stem in the same way.
Exactly. Wow, this is such a good experiment. It was so fun.
We hope you guys had as much fun as we did. Thank you for joining us today, and follow Wisconsin Science Festival and check out our website for more things just like this.
Yes.
Yay! Happy spring!